Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of versatile connectivity with the Mokin USB-C docking station. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our insightful tech reviews. Let's explore the possibilities of this 8-in-1 USB-C hub. The Mokin USB-C docking station is designed to be your go-to solution for expanding your laptop's connectivity options. This hub packs a punch with an array of ports, making it an excellent companion for various laptops and setups. Let's dive deeper into its features. Inside this compact hub, you'll find an impressive array of ports. It features two DisplayPorts supporting 4K at 60 Hz, an HDMI port also capable of 4K at 60 Hz, a VGA port at 1080p, a USB-C 2.0 port, 3 USB-A 2.0 ports, and a powerful 100 WPD USB-C power charging port. That's a lot of functionality packed into a small device. One standout feature is the fast and powerful charging capability. With a 100 WPD USB-C power charging port, you can quickly charge your device while using the hub. No need to worry about running out of battery during important tasks. If you need to transfer data quickly, the hub comes equipped with a USB-C 2.0 port and two USB-A 2.0 ports, allowing data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. This means you can connect your keyboard, mouse, USB flash drives, and other devices with ease. The Mokin USB-C docking station is designed for laptops with Thunderbolt or full-function USB-C ports. It's compatible with popular laptops like Dell XPS 13, 15/17, HP, Lenovo, and more. Just make sure your laptop supports the necessary protocols for full functionality. Worried about product quality? Mokin offers peace of mind with an 18-month warranty. If you encounter any issues while using this multi-monitors adapter, simply let them know, and they'll assist you promptly. Keep in mind that the hub's supported resolution and refresh rate may vary depending on your laptop's capabilities. If your Windows laptop has DP 1.2, here's what you can expect in terms of resolution and refresh rate. Additionally, it's recommended to use a 100W plug for this docking station to ensure optimal performance. In conclusion, the Mokin USB-C docking station is a versatile and powerful hub that expands your laptop's connectivity horizons. With 8 essential ports, fast charging, and compatibility with a range of laptops, it's a valuable addition to any setup. If this video helped you understand the capabilities of the Mokin USB-C docking station, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more tech reviews and insights, subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay connected and stay tech savvy.